All right, let me welcome to the stage Ajai Kumar from HCL. Hey, Ajai, one of our biggest global partner. So Ajai, great video, by the way.
Thank you.
I know we've been at this for about a year, our relationship. It's been unbelievable. Talk a little bit about what we've done in the last 12 months in terms of getting your team ready. What's the size of your organization now on the Infor side?
Absolutely. So last 12 to 18 months when we got together with the Inforum management along with Darren and the management, one of the big messages we got as a partner was that, can you build a global team for us? So in a short span of time, we have been able to invest in a lot of people, process, and technologies. Currently, with 650 plus people spread globally across, I think we'd be one of the largest partners for Infor. What we also did was we looked at investing a lot of amount of effort and time into training. So you talk about product ranges from your I-Series, mainframe, talk about M3LN cloud suites, and Ion, Mingle, etc. We got people trained with help of Infor Academy. So people are certified by Infor, ready to execute projects on a global level.
No, it's a huge global team. Actually, speaking of transformation, which we've been talking about with Bank of America and our team, let's talk about the project we just recently won together in Hong Kong. Why don't you give a little bit of an update on that?
Absolutely. I think this is one of a very unique projects which we jointly kind of work with Infor on. How many of us over here in the audience have heard of a phrase called lift and shift from Infor? I do see a few hands here. So you guys definitely need to visit our booth and learn a little bit about lift and shift. It's all about a program where we're looking at saying, how can we look at help the customer move to the cloud at your own pace? So in case you're not ready to move right away and have questions, can there be a way where it could be a tiered program for your movement to the cloud? And what we've done is that at this customer, we're looking at investing into the infrastructure piece, look at the consulting piece, understand the as-is state and the to-be state, and see how can we use different frameworks, tools, technologies to make the journey very smooth for them.
Okay, well, you know, you're a big company. You see all kinds of things across the world. Why don't you talk about maybe what's the one big trend you're seeing in your customer base?
So I talked in the video about if you need to, as an organization, remain at your same spot where you are, you need to run even faster today because the competition is catching up a big time. So if you were to focus on two things which we heard from our clients, I would say rather than one, there are two trends we are seeing. One is on digitalization. So there's a customer, one of the leading brands in sports. They have 659 million fans globally. And what they came to us was saying that, hey, HCL, can you help us put together a program where we digitally connect all these fans globally and create a better experience for them? And add the complexity, can we get a lot of partners involved over there and look at ways of monetizing that? So we are engaged in a very, very unique project on digitalization, and that's one customer I talked about. There are umpteenth number of examples we talk on that. Second trend we have seen is across on IoT. So we have been engaged in some other fashion of IoT, maybe way back in 15 years back itself, where we've been doing, where implantable devices can go into human bodies, and we've been designing right from concept to design to development and execution of it, and they communicate with doctors, and they can communicate and create value for the patients over there. So we've seen tons of examples over there. Recently, there's a Fortune 100 customer in healthcare. They manufacture surgical equipments which are used by hospitals all across. And what they wanted to do was they wanted to look at scenarios saying that at any given moment of time, they have a couple of $1 billion inventories tracking around. And they said that, is there a way for me to get a better kind of a precise kind of information where these equipments are right now, are they being utilized, and how can we monetize that better? So we put in a program, executed for them, and similarly. So IoT and digitalization, I would say, Darren, two big trends we see from our customers.
That's great. Well, I want to thank everyone for having me on stage today, so thank you all. Oh, sorry.
This way?
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
Thanks, buddy.